Hi, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how to use in, on, at as prepositions of place correctly in our day-to-day life conversations without any delay. Let's begin with in as preposition of place. In is indicate something is inside. Indicate something is inside something else, or enclosed space, or enclosed space. For example, the tiger is in the cage. In this example, tiger is inside the cage. The mobile is in my pocket. Where is my mobile? Inside my pocket. I am in my house, in my room. Where am I now? Inside the room, inside the house. The flowers are in her pocket. The books are in the library. She is in the library. He is in the kitchen. We saw that in the newspaper. In as a preposition of place, also used to indicate general locations, larger areas. For example, villages, cities, towns, states, country. She was born and brought up in a small village. She was born and brought up in Delhi. They live in Gujarat. The tiger lives in the forest. In these examples, in is used to indicate that something is located inside. Got it? If you have any doubt in any corner, please ask in the comment. Okay, next, on as a preposition of place. We use on to talk about the location on a surface. For example, the books are on the table. Where are the books? On the table, on the surface of the table. He is standing on the stage. She is standing on the stage. Where is she or where is he? On the stage, on the surface of the stage. Keys are on the counter. The cat is on the wall. He likes to sit on the floor. They live on the first floor. We also use on for streets and roads. The shop is on the main street. The hotel is on the highway road. Okay, lastly, at as a preposition of place. We use at for exact location, exact address or point, exact point. For example, I am waiting for you at the bus stop. Here I am not stating that I am in a city, nor am I indicating that any surface. I am providing an exact location rather than a broader one. The children are at school. She is working at home today. Someone is at the door. We are at the supermarket. I met her in a party. I am at work. We are at stadium. She is waiting at the entrance. I am currently at the airport waiting for my flight. Like this, by using in, on, at as prepositions of place to provide helpful information about locations. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for new content. Thank you.